Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things in their garden that they're proud of. Thank you guys for participating in this video. I do this video at the first Sunday of every month, and I'll talk about it during the month on my normal Sunday question and answer videos. If you want to participate next month, there's about 10 minutes of photos, so there's a lot of participation this month. I only label the photos if there's one distinct thing in it, maybe two. Anything that just has several things in it is just, here's a landscape, here's a garden. So, I'm only labeling a few. This video takes a while to put together, but I enjoy seeing your guys' photos each month. So again, thank you for participating. I put up a video with a lot of foundation, low evergreen foundation plants. I think that video will have gone up right when you see this one. I'm filming this on Friday, so Saturday that should go up. I did a tour here in the garden. I did go down to Tony Avents this past week and filmed a video with him and a couple other things. I filmed several things for the Garden Plants channel, found an editor for that, so hopefully we're going to see some videos going up on the Garden Plants with Jim Putnam channel very soon. And I think that's about it, except for one thing. If you are a member of the channel, there's a little membership thing down at the bottom. Not asking anybody to be members, never even mentioned it until now. But if you are, I'm going to do a Zoom meeting with you guys this week where you can ask questions, and I will there'll be a little notification in YouTube for members, and sometime Monday or Tuesday, and sometime later in the week, one evening, I'll do a Zoom meeting, and we can get together and you guys can ask questions in a live format. Thanks for watching.